Open the 360 app and select a clip, then hit Next. Before you start any editing, decide on how you will be using the clip and select the proper aspect ratio. In this case, I'll do 9:16, which will be used in a YouTube short. Now, because I am creating the impression that this is a drone, in order to set things up, I'll click on Custom and choose Forward Mode. This will give the impression of the drone flying forward. As we see, this is applied to the entire clip. Next, I'll go back to Edit and click on Speed. I will select Entire Clip, and I'll move the speed to about 3 times. Then I'll click on the check mark. Okay, now that I'm happy with the speed, my next step is to once again click Edit, and I'm going to enable motion. ND, this will make the clip look smoother and more realistic. Next up, I will go to the 360 reframe and I will start editing in keyframes. I start by clicking on and adding a keyframe. I'll play with the perspective. By zooming out a little bit, I will adjust the angle. And hit Update Keyframe. Now I'll move to the second keyframe. I go a few seconds into the timeline and add a second keyframe. This time I'm going to tilt the angle a little bit, adjust the frame of course. I hit Update Frame and move on. I then go further into the clip and add keyframes and change angles in order to create the illusion of a drone flying through the air. Once happy with the flight pattern and the look, I'll go to the end of the clip and trim it a little bit. We'll add some music and take a look at the final clip.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were done whatever.